Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. Bang your rowdy bass. Bang your rowdy. Bang your rowdy.
Yeah, my name's Alistair Clyne. I'm here today with my friend Phil Fenton.
Hello, nice to meet you. And this is your Nova?
This is it, yes. It was built in 1983. I bought it in 1986, ran it till 91, took it off the road, and it was only last year, after a full body off rebuild, I got it back on the road. There's only 3 road legal ones in Scotland that we're aware of. 2 of them are here,
right.
Yep. And just great fun. They bring a smile to folks' faces.
So, excuse my ignorance, I never heard of a Nova. Is that a make or model?
It's the make.
Okay.
It was designed by a guy called Richard Oakes in 1972. There were 2 or 3 companies that produced them. These ones are Mark IIs. They were produced in Murfield in West Yorkshire. They stopped producing them in the mid-80s, but they're based on a Volkswagen Beetle. This one's got a Type 1 1776cc engine in it, and Phil's has got a 1700 Type 4. Some people put stupid engines in them, but we prefer to play safe.
So I assume like, it was like a smaller company making like a small batch? Like,
yeah.
No.
The first company that produced them was down in Southampton, and was it about 180 kits, Phil? But the Elams in Yorkshire, who produced these ones, it must have been about 1,500 or more. There are very few around. Be lucky if there's 10 or 15 on the road. Tend to find them, sitting underneath a pile of rubbish.
I really love the way
garage.
the thing opens up. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like to see the roof going down?
Yeah, brilliant, fantastic. Oh, got to film this. Nice. Sorry, can I get that again?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what sort of horsepower will you get from that? Or does it not matter, I guess? Or oh, fair enough, yeah.
Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys, we rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Bang your rowdy bass.
Oh shit, what's happening? Sorry, just getting content. Sorry, mate.
Bang your rowdy bass.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
It's like some wine off it. She's like a Hellcat or something.
That sounds really nice, that Charger.
The they've not made it overpowering. So what I mean is, the exhaust noise doesn't overpower the supercharger one.
Can you hear that in the cabin? The supercharger?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
How's the Roush stuff? I've got a Roush cold air intake on order.
Is that yours? Okay. Your lifestyle engine. Too many wee people.
Sorry, I'm bad influence. Sorry about that. Well. It's a car show, you can't rev. I guess it makes sense. Yeah. Is that yours? Is it?
You're not allowed to rev a car even though it's a car show.
Moving on to 4th place, we're looking for the owner of the Red Bull Mustang that's down in the bottom field. If you own that Red Bull Mustang, it's kind of hard to miss. Oh, you've even got the Red Bull top hat. I think you're a big Sergio Perez fan. Or not Daniel Ricciardo. I'll move. I'm being told today. How we doing, Paul? You alright? Time to see, Paul. There we go. They two go to the same fingers for big games. Best American is one of the gentlemen with the Nova Sport really cool cars with the roofs that live up. It's the one registration OSA 101H, so I think it's the dark blue one. I'm assuming this is this gentleman here. You look like you own a car like that. Well done, sir. Round of applause for the random wee Nova thing for the biggest swinger in bonus. Best hot rod.
Congratulations.
Cheers. Best hot rod. Main drag, I think everybody can appreciate it. And thank you guys for putting up with the whole setup of the show. It's not what we wanted, it's not what you wanted, but we made it work and we all had a good day, so thank you very much for that. Remember, support your local cars, meets, shows, not clean piss, they can piss off. Look, they're clashing with SPS. I've made the same joke at Aberdeen, but somebody rude. Anyway, thank you to our sponsors, thank you to Renault Motive, thank you to the food, the vans, and take your time getting out, didn't scrap, and thank you, good night!
Guy won at Nova.
Not bad.
I interviewed him, he got Best American.
Aye.
It's not American.
It's not American,
It's
no, it's a Kit Kat.
And I was asking him, is that not American, is it? No.
No, it's, the Best American was an American car.
Yeah.
Mustang run, mate.
I'm eating Fun Dip right now.
Not giving a fuck.
Shots of the Lambo.
The baby Lambo! Baby Lambo! Say hi, Tia! Yay!